Rainbow Trust organized their third Pride the Goa 2019 parade for the LGBTQ community in the state. Having the courage to flaunt their true selves in the parade, and with Section 377 being scrapped, they have asked the government for a reservation of jobs for the LGBTQ community.
Hi everyone, CEO and founder of Goa Rainbow Trust. I am Chris Fernandez and
I am Francis Fernandez, co-founder and chairman of Goa Rainbow Trust. Today we are having Pride the Goa 2019, which is Goa's third Pride Parade, which is for the LGBTQ plus community. It is held in order to raise awareness about this community, since it's not a very mainstream community and it is quite prejudiced. We have around 100 to 150 people, I guess, who are here right now, and we have banners, we have rainbow colors, and we have the Lalit team helping out with water, and we are also going to be having the post-Pride party at Rudy's Bar in Grill tonight at 8 p.m.
it's very important basically for these kind of events happening in, so that people get to know that we also exist in Indian community. It's not that it's only straight people. The homos, this is also there. Lesbians, bisexuals, gays, transgenders, mostly the transgenders. Transgenders are very important for the community, because after the 377, why don't you give them jobs? Jobs are very important, because if they don't get jobs, how are they going to survive? Survival, so they've got to have sex, as in sex trade goes on. Sex trade goes on, that means HIV, because no protection. Then what? So you've got the 377, but put it down in writing that you're going to give transgenders jobs, because they need to have a stable lifestyle. They've got health issues going on because of their operations and mental awareness basis. So transgenders are also very important. You give them jobs, they will finish their jobs, they can go home without any problems as such. But the laws have to change. Just because you've said 377, nothing has actually come out of it yet, because you don't respect transgenders, because you will never notice a bisexual or a gay or a lesbian, but a transgender is a person, when you look at them, you will walk 10 steps behind, because she looks different or he looks different. By the way, even I am one of them, but you will never notice I am one of them.